snap it like this.
Yeah. Okay, we are. It's a video production.
Okay.
So we are in United Timber Association, Asaba. We are talking to our viewers about how wood is sold at this market, at the rate at which it's sold. So we are trying to get them informed so that people who follow us can easily make contact and buy from this market. We are trying to promote the buyings around this market. Thank you very much. As we look at the sizes of this, we take simple view of this market. United. We have 2x2 here. We'll be giving you the price as you maybe request. We'll be giving you the price. We have collected the price from one of the buyers in this place. They ask to be saved from the face of the video so that we don't take their faces. Right. So I think we are okay. It's large enough. You can get anything you want about wood in this market. Thank you very much as you wait. So we go in 2x.
This 2x4 handsaw.
Handsaw. Okay, 2x4 handsaw. Oh yeah, keep it going.
The table 900 naira.
Okay, 900 naira.
Like this one. This one is 2x6.
Okay, 2x6.
2x6 sawmill.
Okay.
This one is 2x4 sawmill. And this one is 2x2 soft for sawmill. 2x2 sawmill.
Okay.
This 2x4.
Okay. 2x4 handsaw. Okay.
This sawmill board. Okay. 16 feet.
Okay, sawmill board. This is sawmill board. 16 feet.
Why this one is 12 feet? You can't cover all that. At least. Oh, they're not the video in our video.
Okay.
So this is sawmill.
Sawmill.
This one is sawmill 12 feet.
Sawmill. So 12 feet. Okay.
Yes.
I think
this one is okay.
It's okay. We are grateful. Your name is
Mr.
Oluchukwu. Okay, thank you Oluchukwu for helping us to get this information.